Are you still paying for captions on your videos? What if I told you that you can do it for free using a simple Python script and some HTML magic? Stop wasting money! In this video, I'll show you how to generate automatic captions for free and overlay them in different styles without using expensive tools. Save money. Improve engagement. No paid tools. Captions are essential for keeping viewers engaged, increasing watch time, and improving accessibility. But paid captioning services can cost a fortune. Captions increase watch time by 15 to 20%, engagement by 12%. If you're a YouTuber, freelancer, or marketer, you need captions. But why should you pay for them? Stop paying for captions. Do it for free. The good news? I've created a free solution using Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to automatically generate and overlay captions on your videos. Automatic speech-to-text with Whisper AI overlay captions with different styles. No subscription, no software purchase. Have you ever watched a video without captions? You might not notice it right away, but captions make a huge difference. Think about it. You're in a noisy place. Maybe a cafe, a train station, or even at work. You can't turn up the volume. But captions? They save the day. Fun fact, over 80% of people watch videos on mute. So if your videos don't have captions, you're losing views. But let's be honest. Manual captioning? It's a pain. And paid services? Too expensive. That's why I created this simple tool. It automatically generates captions and lets you style them your way. Now watch this. Just like that, we have instant styled captions appearing on the screen, making your videos look more engaging and professional. Let's try something else now. And now watch closely as each word dynamically shakes up and comes to life, perfectly syncing with my voice as I speak. See? Custom captions means better videos. So why not use them? If you want this tool, stick around. Let me show you how it works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Extract captions from your video. Using Python. First, we use Whisper AI, a powerful speech-to-text model, to extract captions from the video. This script automatically generates accurate captions and timestamps. Now we take those captions and display them in different cool styles using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This allows us to overlay captions on videos with multiple font styles, colors, and animations. Choose from 10+ styles: Netflix style, subtitles, TikTok, bold captions, animated karaoke text. Step 3. Export the final video. Finally, we combine the video and captions. We can use tools like OBS Studio. That's it! You now have a perfectly captioned video ready to upload without spending a single dollar. Your video is ready for free. Check out these awesome caption styles. Which one is your favorite? If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech hacks. It helps a lot. Like if this saved you money. Comment caption below for the full code. Subscribe for more free tools. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to add new features.